Are you ready to transform your brand's presence and captivate your audience like never before? Video is the #1 content marketing strategy right now. On June 30th, Adam Mosseri, the head of Instagram, announced a major shift. Instagram is no longer just a square photo sharing app. They're focusing on video. This change underscores a powerful truth. Video is dominating the content consumption space. If you don't start using video today, your brand will fall behind. It's that simple. But don't worry, we've got you covered. First, let's decide the type of video you want to create. What do you hope to achieve with this video? Maybe you want to increase brand awareness, train new hires, or share presentations in a new way. For example, if you run an e-commerce store and want to announce a sale, a video ad is perfect. Or, if you're a chef wanting to grow your audience, a how-to video showing a recipe is ideal. Explainer videos are great for explaining a brand concept or showing how your offerings solve specific problems. These videos are perfect for landing pages, YouTube, and social media platforms. How-to or tutorial videos are fantastic for teaching specific tasks or activities. These videos are great for both new and returning clients, like a plumber showing easy home repairs. Brand awareness videos tell a story that delves into emotional territory, like Dove's self-love campaign. These videos are perfect for established brands looking to strengthen their image. Video ads are designed to convert, like Apple's product promotions. These ads are essential for sales and promotions, especially on platforms like YouTube and TV. Testimonial videos use customer feedback to build trust, like HubSpot's customer stories. These videos can be used at any point in the customer journey, from landing pages to emails. Training and onboarding videos help new employees get up to speed, like Grubhub's driver onboarding. These videos are essential for internal communications and training sessions. Entertainment videos, like San Diego Zoo's animal clips, are perfect for generating brand awareness. These videos are great for social media platforms like TikTok and Instagram. Video presentations turn slide decks into engaging videos, perfect for sharing educational content. Intros and outros add a professional touch to your videos, carrying your branding and message. Now, let's choose a topic for your video. What does your audience want to watch? For example, a private mailboxes business could show how they safeguard users' privacy. Next, select a video style. Will it be live action, animated, or a mix of both? Live action videos are great for cooking tutorials, interviews, and workout videos. Animated videos, whether 2D or 3D, are perfect for explaining complex concepts. Mixed media videos combine different styles to keep things engaging, like Dollar Shave Club's ads. Ready to make your video? Head over to this video. Top 5 AI tools every content creator should have in 2025. Copy and paste. https://shorterl.at/qfzt6